you doing? Oh, why you being good birds? Tom! Well, come on! Well, come on! Go see him! Go see him, Lolly! Come on, Ernie! Ernie! Oh, put them feathers down! Oh, come on! Yeah, come here! Come here, kids! Go get them! Yeah, go get them! Yeah! Yeah, there he comes! There's your boy! There he is! Well, come on! Yeah! Oh my goodness! Are you coming to say hi? Yeah! Oh, bark! 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 What? 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 What you doing? Yeah. Well, go see her. Go see her. Go see Ernie. Yeah, go see Ernie. Go see him, Lolly. What? Hello, pretty bird. Hello, pretty bird. Well, go see her. Go see her. Go find Lolly. Go find Lolly. Yeah.
It's going to take time. Yeah, and a little bit of this too.
Yeah.
And a lot of that, right? What's the easy solution? Did you notice some of the rug was in here? No, that's not what I did. I don't see anything, right? Well, put a nice thick pad in it, nice rug. Not a bad idea.
The answer was staring us right in the face the whole time. We just needed to talk to Dylan. Put some rug down instead.
Sure. I like rug.
Sometimes I just want to hug this guy. Why are you looking at that? Oh, we should do it right now. Think about sitting.
Yeah.
Sitting right there. Right there. No, we can lay up and down in a day, and it's going to look just as great. So, problem solved.
I'm going to go with blue. Jibble. Blue.
Yeah. Go see your girl. Go see Lolly. Tell him, Lolly. Say hi, handsome boy. Hi, handsome Ernie. Yeah. Hi, handsome Ernie.
If you get a homeowner who doesn't put a primer on the wall and they go straight for wallpaper on there, when it comes to
Yeah. Say hi. What? What? Come on, Lolly. Come on, pretty bird. Yeah. And that is that. That's how they enjoyed their visit with each other. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.